Hello everybody, welcome to Thursday. S&P 500 was down a little bit today, but we did quite well. The majority of our individual stocks and targeted indexes were actually up for the day. Some of them, up a fair amount. Apple, clean energy, our software targeted index, cybersecurity, and our innovative technology targeted index were all up over 1% today. Um, the thing that's really striking me about this market and watching this, even in the last week or so, is how many of the things that are happening are things that happen in a healthy market that is getting ready to go even higher. So, these might not happen, but it's important to kind of understand. Again, we're facing this massive, economic issues and unemployment, lots of bad news, lots of articles that are critical of, the market being where it is and talking about how it's going to fall apart. But I'm telling you, the things that we look for are happening. So one of the things is breadth. So how many of the stocks? So lots of people have been saying, oh, it's just tech stocks. It's narrow. It's like 2000 and 1999. It's starting to broaden out, I'm telling you. So small caps are taking off. Mid caps have been taken off. Value stocks, which are not tech stocks, are taking off. The stocks that are part of this reopening have been moving pretty nicely. They've been a little bit up and down, but still kind of coming along. So we're seeing movement. And over the last week, we're also seeing bonds sell off, because there was a tremendous amount of money that moved into bonds, and now we're starting to see a sell-off happen. Again, that is something you often see in an upward moving market. So here we are back to the all-time high. We're really, really close again today on the S&P 500. And all of these breadth pieces are coming and bonds are selling off. And so these are all positive things. I'm not sure it's going to be an explosive upward market, but these are the things we look for. It's important to understand that they're there. So that's what I have for today. Again, we're just trying to get through this all-time high and see if we can get there and then go from there and see what happens. So look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Thank you.